It's August 1st. It's definitely been a minute since I did one of these videos. I haven't forgot about you guys. I just decided to give you guys a little break. I hope the summer's been good for you. I haven't missed a day at the gym and I don't plan on to. It's already halfway during the summer. The grind doesn't stop. Every day that I come here, I just feel better and better and better. Even the days that I don't feel like coming here. So the most important thing is just to come every day and win those little victories. And you guys know what I'm talking about. Even though you do something, no matter how big or small, as long as you're doing it every day, it's gonna lead to something bigger, and that's what we gotta remember. My boy right there doesn't even know it yet, but I'm about to grab him so we can interview him real quick. Hold on 1 second. Come here real quick. Come here real quick. He doesn't even know he's about to be on camera, but I want to say something about you, man. I come here every day, and you saw me every day before we even met each other. Yeah. But this guy, man, has the best energy in the whole wide world. Always a big smile on his face. So introduce yourself.
My name is Abdullah Agoub. I'm from Sudan.
Sudan?
Yeah. I like this gym. It's give me positive energy always. The guys here are amazing. I just keep smiling like when I see them. Like I feel like I'm in a family, you know. Members here with this 24 hours fitness. I like him. Even he gives me energy like we met before we came here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what's a good advice for people who work out? Because you know, we work out every day.
Yeah.
We can't go 100 because if we get injured, we lose a lot, right?
Yeah, that's right. The best advice, the way you work out hard, you gotta rest enough, you know, to recover. Then you keep going, push yourself hard as you can, and don't forget the rest is important things to do. Yeah.
I love you, man.
All right.
You gotta go work out.
All
right. All right.